And even with the hot sauce, as spicy as you want, I'm not even gonna measure it, okay? 2 more dashes. Over here measuring hot sauce. Child, go on about your business, okay? What's up, friends? Millie Peartree here again today. Listen, we're still throwing something on the grill, and like any party, you need to start with something. You need like a little nosh in the beginning. And I think a baked pimento cheese dip will work well for this. The perfect way to kick off summer is, number one, gotta do a little weather check, make sure it's warm enough that you could put on your bright colors and pull out those recipes. This is about eating what you want, when you wanna eat it, and you're gonna eat it with the people that you love because we are gonna celebrate. So a good go-to snack is, again, things that you possibly have in your refrigerator and or pantry. You guys know me from way back when. That's how far we go back. You know, I'm always making macaroni and cheese. So of course I have some cheese on hand. So let's make a baked pimento cheese dip. Often it's served cold, but in this instance, I like it warm with a good Ritz cracker. If you have some baguettes, it'll be great. Shredded cheeses, they do have a chemical in it, so they don't clump together. They don't stick together. But in this instance, we want our cheese to stick together. So shred your cheese, it'll only take a couple minutes. Use a box grater, use your food processor. Do what you gotta do. You could totally mix it a couple days before and then put it in your vehicle that you're gonna bake in and then pop it in the oven when you're ready. And you can also have it cold. Nothing wrong with a cold pimento cheese dip. There's something about cheese that's warm. I'm not a big cold food person, and I feel like this is a dish that you can have both ways. So why not put it in the oven? There's no rules, right? You have your person that, you know, uses their legs as a picnic table. You kind of knock them a little bit. Then you have the person that, you know, they like to eat by themselves. Like, don't interrupt me. Like, I just want to be in an area by myself. I want to eat. Then you have the person that, you know, always got their get fresh on. You know, they're the daredevil. They want to wear white shirts to a barbecue. So, you know, they're always like hunched, eating from a distance. We celebrating. You wear what you want to wear. Fly all day. I love it. Then you have the person that is always, I call them like the picker. You know, they come, I ain't really hungry like that, but then when they see that chicken wing fried hard, they want to grab it. They walking around eating, talking, having a good time. And then you ask them like, yo, won't you grab a plate? No, 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 no. You know, they want to act like they not hungry, but they really are. And then my favorite person, the dancer. That food just so good. They in their chair. They grooving, and it's a no judgment zone. So throughout the time, you know your peoples, and you just want to have fun, but you acknowledge, it's like reading the room. And I think those are like the people that's the different styles of eating, you know, when you throw in something on the grill. Not formal at all, outside. You come to my house and there's gonna be one thing that you can come and get, because you my cousin, like you kiki with me, you my Judy. I'm gonna have a little peel and eat shrimp for you because that's something I could throw together 1, 2, 3. I love to throw it in the oven. Again, you could throw it on the grill, or you could just, you know, big pot of Old Bay, lemon, a couple bay leaves, just something that's just gonna be really good, and we could throw it together and it's quick. And that's for your favorite cousin. You know, when they come over, because you know they're gonna bring the on-brand soda. They might bring a little extra something, you know, that cousin you take a little walk with during Thanksgiving. I'm gonna leave it as that. That's who that shrimp is for. Thanksgiving walking cousin. We also have some deviled eggs because why not? We already boiled some eggs for the potato salad. Deviled eggs is classic. Bubbly, bubbly, bubbly. So our pimento cheese dip is out of the oven. It's nice and hot. It smells delicious. There's nothing to talk about other than getting a Ritz cracker. Don't debate me on the crackers. A Ritz cracker. Need something buttery. We're gonna go in here and dip. And we gonna taste. It's hot. It's hot. Ooh. Listen, we are not gonna burn the roof of our mouth. I sacrificed my thumbs earlier. I will not sacrifice the roof of my mouth. It's creamy. A little bit of spice from the jalapeno pepper, the smokiness from the paprika. It's so delicious. Put it on a cracker, put it on some bread. It's good. I like that. Okay. Who doesn't like a double egg? I like to celebrate other people. Like, I'm one of those people, like, I like to see people win. I like to see people like glow up, and that's the life and the vibe I'm on now. I love to celebrate other people. I love to support other people, and that makes me feel whole. So that's the way Millie Pearce be celebrating all 2023 Jordan year. So we have our ribs, we have our baked pimento cheese dip, a couple extra starters. I think that we need something sweet. So I'm gonna get my table ready. I'm gonna put these things to the side, and meet me right back here for our next and final installment of Throw Something on the Grill.